Moving on to the third question of this exercise. Represent the following numbers on a number line. A plus 5, B minus 10, C plus 8, D minus 1, E minus 6. To point out given numbers on the number line, we need to draw a number line. Coming to the A bit, we should point out plus 5 number on a number line. For this, consider a number line like this. Plus 5 is a positive integer. It is right side of 0. Here we can find plus 5. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Here is plus 5. To mark B bit, minus 10. Minus 10 is a negative integer. It lies on the negative side of 0. Minus 8, minus 9 and minus 10. Here B. To point out C plus 8. Plus 8 is a positive integer. It lies on the right side of 0. Here 6, 7, 8. At 8, C bit. D minus 1. Minus 1 is a negative integer. It lies on the left side of 0. So mark minus 1. Like this. D. And E. Minus 6. Minus 6 is a negative integer. It lies on the left side of 0. Then as E. Moving on to the fourth question. Adjacent figure is a vertical number line representing integers. Observe it and look at the following points. A. If point D is plus 8, then which point is minus 8? Let's do a solution. Before doing solution, we observe the given number line. In this number line, 0 is the middle value. Above 0 are positive integers and below 0 are negative integers. So, mark all the integers with respective points. Here, above one step of 0 is plus 1, then plus 2, then plus 3, then plus 4, plus 5, plus 6 and plus 7. Below 0 are negative integers. Then point all the integers. One step below 0 is minus 1, then minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6, minus 7, minus 8, minus 9 and minus 10. Coming to the A bit, if point D is plus 8, then which point is minus 8? By observing this number line, D point has plus 8 integer and which point has minus 8 integer? Here point F has minus 8 integer. Mark this point. So, F point is minus 8. It is A bit. Then take down the B bit. Coming to B bit, is point G a negative integer or a positive integer? Let's do the solution. To find out point G is a negative integer or a positive integer, we will find G is above 0 value or below 0 value. By observing this number line, G is below 0 value. So mark the point G and we can say that G is a negative integer because it lies below 0 value. Then take down the C bit. C bit is write integers for points B and E. Coming to the solution. To write integers for points B and E on a number line, first we will mark point B and E on this number line, point B and point E. By seeing these marks, here we have point B at place 4 integer and place E at -10 integer. Point B at place 4 and point E at -10. Then take down the D bit. D bit is which point marked on this number line has the least value. Coming to the solution, by moving downwards on number line, numbers are in decreasing order. So, the value which is below the 0 number is the least value. Here we can see that point E is the least value on this number line. So, point E at -10 has the least value on this number line. Then, take down the E bit. Arrange all the points in decreasing order of value. Coming to the solution of E bit, we know that as we move in down on the number line, numbers are in decreasing order. So, if we write from top to bottom all the points, these points are in decreasing order of value. So, at the top, point D, the next C, next B, A, then H, then G, then F and E. These are all the points in decreasing order of value on the given number line. Moving on to the fifth question. Following is the list of temperatures of 5 places in India on a particular day of the year. In Siachen, temperature is 10 degrees centigrade below 0 degrees centigrade. In Shimla, temperature is 2 degrees centigrade below 0 degrees centigrade. In Ahmedabad, 30 degrees centigrade above 0 degrees centigrade. In Delhi, 20 degrees centigrade above 0 degrees centigrade. In Srinagar, 5 degrees centigrade below 0 degrees centigrade. AB. Write the temperatures of these places in the form of integers in the blank column. Let's do the solution. Before going to solution, we can see that in the given question, it is mentioned that there are 5 places in India. They are Siachen, Shimla, Ahmedabad, Delhi and Srinagar. And the temperature of these places on a particular day of the year are given. We should write temperatures in the form of integers. Let's do the solution. For this question, we will take 0 degrees temperature as middle value. Below this 0 degrees temperature, values are in negative values. And above this 0 degrees centigrade temperature are positive values. First, write the place Siachen, and Siachen has 10 degrees centigrade below 0 degrees centigrade. We know that below 0 degree temperatures are negative values. So, Siachen has minus 10 degrees centigrade temperature. Coming to Shimla, Shimla has 2 degrees centigrade below 0 degrees temperature. We know that below 0 degrees values are negative integers. So, Shimla has minus 2 degrees centigrade temperature. Next, moving to Ahmedabad. Ahmedabad has 30 degrees centigrade above 0 degrees temperature. Above 0 degrees values has positive integers. So, Ahmedabad has plus 30 degrees centigrade temperature. Then, coming to Delhi. Delhi has 20 degrees centigrade above 0 degrees temperature. Above 0 degrees centigrade values are positive integers. So, Delhi has plus 20 degrees centigrade temperature. Finally, Srinagar. Srinagar has 5 degrees centigrade below 0 degrees temperature. Below 0 degrees values are negative integers. So, Srinagar has minus 5 degrees centigrade temperature. Move on to the B bit. Following is the number line representing the temperature in degrees Celsius. Plot the name of the city against its temperature. Coming to the solution, here we have some places in India and its temperatures on a particular day of the year. We should mention the name of the city against its temperature on the number line. Let's take a number line. On this number line, 0 is the middle value. Right side of 0 are all positive integers. Left side of 0 are all negative integers. First, we will mark Siachen has 10 degrees centigrade below 0 degrees centigrade. 10 degrees below 0 degrees centigrade means minus 10 degrees temperature. Minus 10 degrees is Siachen temperature. Next, Shimla. Shimla has 2 degrees below 0 degrees temperature. 2 degrees centigrade below 0 degrees centigrade temperature is minus 2 degrees centigrade temperature. So, move 2 steps to the left of 0. 1, 2. Then mark minus 2. Minus 2 degrees centigrade is the temperature of Shimla. Next, move to Ahmedabad. Ahmedabad has 30 degrees above 0 degrees temperature. Above 0 degrees centigrade values are positive. So, Ahmedabad has plus 30 degrees centigrade temperature. Here we can see right side of 0 are plus 5, plus 10, plus 15, plus 20, plus 25 and plus 30. Then mark 30 degrees centigrade temperature. It is the temperature of Ahmedabad. Then coming to Delhi, Delhi has 20 degrees centigrade above 0 degrees centigrade temperature. It is nothing but plus 20. We can find plus 20 on this number line at the right side of 0, plus 5, plus 10, plus 15 and plus 20. Plus 20 degrees centigrade is the temperature of Delhi. And finally, Srinagar has 5 degrees centigrade below 0 degrees centigrade temperature. Below 0 degrees centigrade temperature means negative value. Here, minus 5 is the temperature of Srinagar. Moving on to the C bit, which is the coolest place. Coolest place is nothing but the temperature which is least among these 5 places. Coming to the solution, to find the temperature which is least among these, we will use the previous bit number line. On this number line, as we move left to right direction, numbers are in increasing order. As we move in right to left direction, numbers are in decreasing order. To find the least integer, which is has, by observing this number line, minus 10 is the least integer on this number line. Minus 10 degrees centigrade temperature is Siachen's temperature. So, the coolest place is Siachen. Take down the D bit. Write the names of places where temperatures are above 10 degrees centigrade. Let's do the solution. To find the names of places where temperatures are above 10 degrees centigrade, we will use the B bit number line. Here is the number line. On this number line, all places with their temperature are marked. To find the names of places where temperatures are above 10 degrees centigrade temperature, first we will mark plus 10 on this number line, and right side of plus 10 are Delhi and Ahmedabad. So the places Delhi and Ahmedabad are the places where temperatures are above 10 degrees centigrade. So, the places Delhi with plus 20 degrees centigrade temperature and Ahmedabad with plus 30 degrees centigrade temperatures are the places where temperatures are above 10 degrees centigrade.